Hey, Chris Brown, you a bitch, nigga. When I see you, I'ma beat the fuck out you, nigga. You think you hard cause you hit Rihanna, nigga, cause you beat Rihanna up, nigga? Do that shit to me, pussy ass, nigga. The fuck wrong with you, nigga? You gonna call my phone on FaceTime talking about some, oh, why you liking Karrueche pictures on Instagram, man? Why you liking Karrueche pictures on Instagram? When I see you, I'ma catch the fade, I'ma knock you out, I'ma rock. Nigga, this Fruit Town Peru, nigga, you ain't even good in the hood, nigga. We from the same hood, nigga, on Bumpton, nigga. When I see you catching the fade, nigga, I'ma knock your bitch ass out, nigga. You got me fucked up, nigga. Officer Soldier wet, bitch. I got caught with a Draco in the 30 clip, nigga. And I spent that check for the best fucking lawyers to get me out of jail. Pussy ass, nigga. Nigga, I done shot niggas before. You see what the fuck on my face, nigga. When I see you, Chris, I'ma beat your ass. And Karrueche don't want you, nigga. She don't want you, you lame ass nigga. Stop snorting so much coke, nigga. Pussy ass, nigga. You a fuck nigga, bitch.